Larry, first of all, let's just talk about the case. Why do you think the verdicts came back guilty?
Well, I think that we had a very strong case. I mean, we had, as I argued to the jury in my summation, we had two witnesses who had no connection, didn't know each other before, have had no contact since, have never discussed this case, and they basically told the same version of what happened in great detail. And then I think we had corroboration through statements made by the defendant and phone calls, and of course we had the medical evidence. And I think it was a very well investigated case by the Batavia Police Department. They put together a good case. They, as they always do, they supported us all the way through in continuing to follow things up right up until the time of trial. So, you know, as is always the case when a case goes well like this, you know, great credit is, you know, goes to the police department.
So you met with the jury. Get any feedback that they, you know, that the way you argued the case is what swayed them? Or?
Well, I don't know as it's my argument. I mean, they, you know, that was relatively brief deliberations considering the seriousness of the charges and the number of charges. And they just basically didn't seem to have any problem with any of the evidence. They believed the witnesses, and you know, I think for them it was straightforward.
So we've already discussed your last case. You get a win. Just what are your thoughts?
Well, you know, it's yeah, I've tried a lot of felony jury trials, and you know, obviously, this is a good way to end, you know, with a serious case going well, and I'm certainly pleased with the result, and it's a good note to end on.